Hello everyone, welcome to Noble Architects Consult. In this video, I'm going to show you the basic tools on Lumion. As a beginner, there are some basic tools you need to know. The first tool we are going to cite is the import model tool. With this tool now, you can import any model into your project. All you need to do is to click on imported models, click import new model, and select the project you want to import. Now the next tool we are going to cite is the material tool. You can use it to add materials to your project. Select any color you want to change, click on it, then you can change your material here, any of the colors you need. When you are okay with the color, you finish it and save the changes. For you to zoom out, press S, the S on your keyboard. For you to zoom in, press W, the W key on your keyboard. Then for you to move left, press D to move left, and press A to move to the right. For you to move upward, press E, and to move downward, press Q. To orbit the project, press and hold Shift, left click. If you want to add some plants to your model, click on nature. This is the category you will get some kind of plants. When you get your desired plants, you click on it. As simple as that. Left click to place it. Then for you to change the size of this tree right here, if it's still on place, you can't highlight the tree. So for you to highlight this tree, you need to click select, then select the tree you want to adjust. Now you can rotate it with the rotate tool. You rotate it. If you want to resize it, you use the scale tool to resize it. Another category is the people and animals. There are some categories: the men category, women, animals, and all the rest. Any of them you want to place, select it and left click to place it. You can place multiple of them with this mass placement. You select more, click on add, select more to add. When you are done, you just sketch the path you want to place them and left click. Another category is the transport, which comprises of the cars. We have different categories of cars: the vans, SUVs, all of them. Anyone you want to place, you select it and place. The next category is the objects. This is where you have some minimal objects. We have the armchairs, the bar chairs, and all these, the tables, electronics, the kitchen appliances. Anything you want to place, you select it and place it. We have another category here, the lights. To place your lights, if you select any of them, let's try it here. Place the light here. As simple as that. And you can make some adjustments to the light by selecting it. You can change the color of the light. And you can adjust the brightness of the light here. And you can also show the light source right here. Just a quick one. Please like the video so it can get to more people. Subscribe to this channel because this is the channel that will optimize your design skills. We share tips and tricks for efficient modeling, visualization, rendering, and animations. Share your design ideas, ask questions, and get response from different professionals. Get a step-by-step guide on how to improve your design skills for free. Subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification to get more interesting videos daily. Thank you so much for subscribing. For you to delete anything, select it and click on delete. You've selected one of those objects, then click on delete object. We have some effects here. This is the fountain effect, the fire effect. You select any of them, even the smoke, select it. After selecting it, the major tools you are to use and adjust it is the scale and the rotate tool. You can use it to play around with it, and you can still select it and make some adjustments to the color. Here we have the utilities. When you are done with it, you come down here. This is the build mode. Is where you make some adjustments to your project. The next one is the photo. This is where you capture a scene for you to render. You can click on store camera, save it. When you are to render, click render and select the size, the resolution you are to use. We are not going into that for now. The next one is the movie mode. This is where you will save some clip for your animations. We have the 360 panorama. When you are done, for you to save your project, click on save and load project right here. Click on it. For the first time, this will not be highlighted. All you need to do is to click save as. Then you type in the name of the project and save it. The next time you're opening it, you load the file. That's the basic tools you need to know as a Lumion beginner. In our next video, I will show you some advanced tips. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button to get notified each time we post an interesting video like this. If you have any question or contribution, you drop it on the comment section below. Please like and share this video for others to benefit from it. Thank you. See you in our next class.